Hey, welcome back to a interesting edition of Bitter-Swede Garage. Me and Troy, you know Troy, we're doing a little commercial with our trucks. So yeah, I'll give you a little walk around here. We're out here in Bitter-Swede. Got Troy's truck. We also have the cab over. Look at that clearance. Perfect for dirt roads with big rocks. That's Mike, Carlos, Kyle. Anyway, so we're doing a little commercial stuff. And they need to bring in the talent, obviously. So there's Troy. You know Troy.
Great. I mean, even if you fly over it, like, who cares? It looks.
Truck scene. Take one. Chop.
You can go ahead and let him go.
All right, Trey, go ahead.
All right.
Mike's following with his drone. You can't see it, but it's way over there. Let's start with walkie-talkie. Stop.
I'll have to. Oh no, we'll be good. We'll be good.
It's exciting. We all have the cameras out. So we just got done taking some shots at Troy's truck, and now we're gonna do the COE. So, yeah, you know, show business. Pit stop. Got to swap the batteries out. So I got my shots done. Just kind of driving around on the dirt road. So there's not much of a story here, but it is fun driving our old trucks out in the mountains. This is for a leather company called Range Leather. It's based out of Laramie, Wyoming, just like us. And they also have a newer sort of division. It's Range Coffee Roasters, or maybe it's just Range Coffee. But I'll show you some of this. Trademark. You may have seen some of their swag. It's the real leather patches, not the plastic sewn on or glued on junk. And then here's one of their pour overs. That's their brand there. So yeah, coming soon to marketing campaign near you. There's so many cameras, including mine.
Including your camera.
So, a little behind the scenes action. Got the film crew in the back there. Not a bad place to hang out in a cool old truck. Of course, my
agent will be getting a hold of them for my lack of camera time, but we'll cross that bridge tomorrow.
Well, that's a wrap. I don't know if there's much of a story here, but it's beautiful scenery and cool trucks and hanging out with a couple of buddies and making a commercial. So hopefully you see it someday soon. Couple of extras there.